What up YouTube, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a review on this microphone that I just purchased. It's a professional, they say it's a professional condenser microphone. I wouldn't really say it was professional, but it does the job. It's it only costs $13, so you can't really expect too much from it. As you can see here, you can adjust the volume, you can turn it down, turn it up. It's not too heavy. I mean, it's not heavy at all. It's very light. It's got a long cord, which I would say would be around, as you can see, it would be around, I don't know how long that would be. Probably about 2 meters, I would say, more or less. I don't have a I don't actually have a, what was I going to say, I don't have a microphone port on my laptop, so I have to use this adapter. So you may need to buy one of these too if you don't have a microphone port, just a headphone jack. But yeah, I mean, oh, it's also got this little stand here too. It's pretty small and weak looking, I suppose. But I mean, that does the trick, I suppose. You don't really need nothing too fancy there. I also bought a pop filter too. I will actually do some audio tests for you guys so you guys can see the quality for yourself. I mean, yeah, I think it's alright, the quality, especially considering it's a $13 microphone. I did notice that, like, when you speak loudly, or you know, suddenly make a loud noise, or kinda, you know, the audio's not as clear. So yeah, I'm gonna chuck it on now and do some audio tests and see what you guys think. I'll let you guys decide what you think and let me know in the comments. Alright. Microphone audio test. I'm about 30 centimeters away from the microphone, talking in medium voice, not too loud, not too quiet. Hello YouTube. Now I'm standing back about 2 meters from the microphone and talking in not a loud voice, but I'm not talking quietly either. Now I'll turn the volume right up. That was at medium volume. Where's the volume? Okay, now I'm standing back at 2 meters again, but I've turned the volume on the microphone right up to the maximum volume.